John Beach Wedding Deals. Here we are today at Bowditch Point. On a different part. Here's the rotary where you enter in over here. And over there is where you go around back to park. And here's the pink shell right here. And that way is the Times Square area down that way, about a mile or so. But here's the Bowditch Point down here. It's a nice day today. A week from Christmas. And it's about 82 degrees. No snow down here. White snow. White sand for snow. That's our snow. But it's nice down here today. Not very many people. Weekday. Back with that area I just showed you, you really can't park there. They don't like you parking there, so you can drop people off and you can walk down this way. But there's a parking area behind the main building over there, where I showed you. You drive through and go down in there. It's got 80 parking spots, and you want to definitely park in a parking spot, because if you're not in a parking spot, they'll give you a ticket. Been really cracking down on that stuff. Here we are now, and you can see down there all them pink umbrellas. That's the pink shell stuff. It's the back of the pink shell. And here's Bowditch Point today. It's a nice day, beautiful day today. And we got a wedding this afternoon over here. Pick some nice colors. I like them colors, mint and white. The 2-post package with the chairs. That's our paradise package. We'll take a little walk down here. Over there's the causeway. I don't know if you can see it on this video. You can see a group of buildings, and to the left of them buildings is the Causeway Bridge. The one that got knocked down during a hurricane. They rebuilt the whole thing and fixed the whole area in 3 or 4 months. Amazing. I had it open really fast. And there's all sorts of little paths and trails. Let's go through the woods over here. It's a really nice area. Done a lot of weddings down here. And I don't know if you can see across over there, but way across over there you can see the lighthouse. Sanibel Lighthouse over there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Nice area over there. I'll be over there in a couple of days doing a couple weddings. So this is Bowditch Point, week before Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the little walk around Fort Myers Beach here. If you're looking to get married down this part of Florida, Southwest, Northeast, all around different parts of Florida. We do weddings all around. Go to our website, beachweddingdeals.com. I look forward to meeting you, and Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.